Thanks, James. And we continue our team coverage on weather impacts. Later this week, several counties will be under a winter storm watch. That's going to start Friday evening, including Winston County. ABC 3340's Emily Cundiff, she spoke with the EMA director today to really just see how they're planning to keep residents safe.
Winston County leaders say while it is still uncertain about how severe this storm could become, they want residents to prepare now. They say there is a plan in place, but the biggest challenge right now is the uncertainty.
We have everybody on call watching and we're monitoring. Times gets closer, we'll be able to make better decisions.
With the potential for icy roads and power outages, residents in Winston County are already taking steps to prepare.
Just prepare for the worst and hope nothing happens.
Officials are urging people to become ready to stay home if conditions worsen.
As the weather deteriorates rapidly, the road conditions could go from good to bad very quickly.
Emergency management officials say coordination is already underway at the local and state level.
The state road departments are ready to step up and treat the main highways more than anything.
But if roads become impassable,
please stay home. At that point, it is dangerous to be on the roads.
With potential power outages, all warming shelters across Winston County are ready. County officials say they'll continue to monitor the storm as it develops, and they will keep the residents informed through their Facebook page as conditions further develop.
Emily Cundiff reporting there. Thank you, Emily.